Hi, I'm Tom and I'm here at AO at Home. Today we're going to be going through how to make amazing coffee on your coffee machine. Right, the main difference in a latte and a cappuccino, and this is something I think a lot of people get confused about, is that a latte is a much longer drink than a cappuccino is and a lot milkier. So we're not going to add as much foam. I've already got my espresso in the cup here, but you'll notice I've got a bigger jug. That's because we need a lot more milk to fill that cup there. So the foundation of all of these drinks is the espresso. Now what we want is a good extraction. If your coffee is coming out really watery, wispy and a bit thin, then you need to grind finer. If you find it's coming out really slow, almost oily, you need to go coarser. I've currently got this machine set on grind number 3, which is on the finer end of its scale. When tamping the coffee, you want to ensure you get a good, even pressure across the bed of coffee. This helps for the pressure to build up behind it and extract all those lovely oils that make the espresso so delicious. On this machine here, we have a pressure gauge and we're aiming to be right in the middle. Some machines may have a shot timer instead. When you have a shot timer, a good ballpark figure is to look for a 30-second espresso and then taste and adjust to your preferences. We're looking good here. We've got a lovely crema. Part of that is down to using nice and fresh coffee, and part of it is down to having our grind setting correct. So again, when I'm steaming the milk, I still want that rippling sound to start off with. And I'm looking for a visual increase in volume, because I still want to add some foam, just not too much. Because I want this to still be nice and creamy, but I don't want it to have that same sort of head of foam on it, like the cappuccino did. And again, we're looking for about 65 degrees. That seems to be the sweet spot. You can go cooler and it does actually make it even sweeter, but then it does go cold quite fast. We're nearly there. So in my opinion, you want the entire jug of milk to be about 10 to 15% foam. And again, I'm banging it on there just to get rid of any of those larger bubbles and to really, really bring forward that silky smooth texture. Right, now we've got our espresso and we've got our milk. What you've got to do is get the milk into the jug, and if you pour it from high up, your milk is going to slip underneath the crema and underneath the surface. As soon as you get your spout nice and close, the milk stays on top, so you can get your little patterns starting to come out. That is so creamy and smooth. It's a lot milkier than I would typically drink as a coffee, but that's still absolutely gorgeous.